Welcome to the Roth Living Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Well, today we're making it count with our baked coconut shrimp. Yum!
I'm so excited for this. And for a healthier version of this delish dish, we are using coconut flour in this recipe. You know, coconut flour is high in fiber and is a good source of healthy fats as well as gluten-free. Gluten-free.
Well, for me, the benefit of using coconut shrimp is that it's high on the glycemic index, which means it releases sugar into the bloodstream slowly. And that, my friends, helps reduce or even prevent blood glucose spike.
Making small modifications in your recipes increases the overall health factor, and you can greatly benefit from it. And it doesn't have to be difficult or costly.
Absolutely. We're first going to make our orange chia marmalade. So in a medium-sized pot, we're going to add our lemon, honey, and oranges. And we'll cook that over medium-high heat until the oranges are soft. Next, we're going to add our chia seeds and cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. We'll remove that from the heat, put it in a blender and blend until smooth, and then we'll set that aside in the refrigerator until we're ready to serve.
Yes, and next in a small bowl, we're gonna whisk together our coconut flour, our salt, our Hen House Seafood Seasoning, and pepper. But then in another small bowl, you're gonna get those eggs cracking and whisk those together. But in a third small bowl, we're going to combine our shredded coconut sugar, and a pinch of salt.
Now that sounds so yummy. And working one shrimp at a time, we're going to dip into our coconut flour, tap off any excess, then our egg mixture, and next our coconut mixture. Then we're going to cook these on a baking sheet at 400 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. However, you do need to flip them over halfway through.
And after that, we're gonna combine it with maybe a steamed broccoli, some grilled asparagus. Just make it a veggie on the side and enjoy.
There you have it. Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy, flavorful recipes.
And when you try these at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.